Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in the project. And previous video we worked on the view all orders inside the admin panel. Now in this video we will go and start work or view payments part, so we can display the payments inside the admin panel, and we can also work on this complete order. So this is very simple thing, this is not very difficult. So I have this notepad plus plus over here. I will just using control N, I will create a new blank page and we'll just paste this this view underscore orders page, whole page. Just I selected with control A and copied with control C. Now we'll paste it with control V and we'll just control S to save this page inside the same admin area. I'll say payment underscore view underscore payments dot php. That's it. Save the page, and now we'll very simply change. One is the serial number, second is the we need to check the table, actually the payments table, so we can see the information we have. Okay, we have payment ID, we have amount, we have customer ID, we have product ID, we have transaction ID, and we have currency and date. That's it. So we just need to know about the product that is being purchased, and the customer email we know, and we should know how much amount they have paid, and the transaction ID we need to know. So this, and the payment date. The currency doesn't matter because we know that we only accept the payment in US dollars. So that's it. Now the first will be, the first thing will be here, customer email, and products, which product they have simply purchased, and we'll say amount, paid amount, and we'll say transaction, TR transaction ID. That's it. And order date, and we'll remove this action. So get order, we will say get payment. Select from payments, run order, we'll say run payment, and here we will change this get order to get payment, and we'll change this to raw payment, this one to run payment, and simply just copy this variable and paste it here. Remove this whole thing. Just create a variable, for example, like we have customer, below. We can simply say amount, a variable is this amount, and which will be equal to row underscore payment, and we'll say catch the amount from the database and from the table, and trx underscore id is equal to row payment, and we will say trx underscore id. That's it. And third thing is payment underscore date is equal to row underscore payment. We will simply say, let me check that what is this name, payment underscore date is the name of this column. You can simply say payment date. So this is okay. Now the next thing is we have some mistake out there. This in here we have just forgot to add the single quote. That's it. we needed that three things from the payments table, and the rest of the things are okay. We have got the product. Oh sorry, we need also the product ID. We will just create a pro underscore ID variable, which will be is equal to row payment and product ID, because we have product ID name field there. I mean this one I'm talking about. And the last one we will get the customer ID, which will be C underscore ID, and that will be is equal to row and payment and customer underscore ID. That's it. Now we are done. We said get pro, and we have given this pro ID as an example because we have the pro ID inside the payments table as well, and the C ID we have given here, and using that we have got the email. Now very simply, first is the serial number, which is a variable, simple variable that we have actually incremented. Now the second is the email. This one is the title of the product and the image also. But the image we can, yes, we have the image here. We have got that from the products table. And after the image, in this third field, 1 2 3, okay, in third one products, in third one we will say paid amount. So paid amount, we have variable amount for that. And the next one we have transaction ID, and we have a variable for that TRX ID. TRX ID we have here, you got this from the payments table. And the last one is the order date, and that's fine, okay, we have that variable out there. Sorry, this is order date, we need to change it to payment date. That's it. And we will remove this last thing because we don't need it. That's it, all done. Now just Control S to save, and this is the simplest page for view all payments here. Once again refresh, sorry, Control S to save. Now come here and simply upload this page to the main folder of the admin panel. This is view underscore payments page. Open it, and you can see it's very small size of file, so it has been completed, uploaded. Now go back using this link, and you can see the file is inside the admin panel folder. You can see view underscore payments. Now that's done. Come back to your admin panel, just refresh the page. You can see now, just click this view underscore view payments, so you will see nothing because we have not included this into this main page, index page. So we need to once again copy this one block of FSet and paste it. I will just paste it here above that, and we'll change the variable to view payments and the page to view underscore payments. View underscore payments is the variable. If that is active, then include this page on that occasion, and we have given that here as well, view underscore payments in the link. So save changes. Now simply, because you can see in the URL that variable is active dynamically, view underscore payments, so we need to just refresh the page. You will see the payments, and that's it. You can see the payments are many more. We have got many things here, but there is some problem in the table, so we need to go there to open that page, which is basically view underscore payments.php. This will use code editor. We'll open it, edit it, and first of all we will just change its, we'll just increase the table width to 795. And second thing is, we have a problem inside the inside this I variable, we actually removed that and we did not create that again. So we need to create that again here, I and plus plus, because we have a variable here outside the while loop which is having a value 0 starting from 0. So we said I plus plus mean increment, we incremented this and while loop is running, so as many records we have, it will be incremented automatically by numbers. So let's to save. Now come back here to admin panel and refresh the page, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 as many payments you have. So paid amount, you can see transaction ID by which was given to us by PayPal, you can see that, and you can see the dates of the payments. I mean, we need to change this order date to payment date. Simply go to this, change it to payment date, save changes and come back, refresh the page, and this is payment date, paid amount, and that in this. So things are going very nice and smooth. Now you can insert order, you can you can insert new product using this online beautiful simple admin panel. You can view all products, can add category, can view all categories, you can delete category, you can edit category, and you can view customers, you can view orders, you can complete orders if you have sent the things to the person. So just click this and update that table, I mean this one, the orders table. Just simply update this thing inside the order, this, change this in progress to complete, so the customer will also see progress complete. I can now just show you that. Just we'll go to view underscore order page, and simply we will, below the table we will insert a PHP block, and PHP block close, and we'll say if is set $_get, which is confirm underscore order, I mean this one, this confirm order. We will say get ID, sorry, create a local variable, get underscore ID is equal to $_get, and that will be confirm underscore ID, sorry, confirm order, which has a value. Now after that we'll say update order is equal to double quotes, we'll say update orders and set status to this variable. We'll just create a variable here, status is equal to complete it. We have given just a simple string value. We'll say update that where customer underscore ID is equal to this ID. We have customer ID over here, C underscore ID. C underscore ID. Update underscore order, update orders, set status to status where, sorry, this is not status, this is order status, I guess. order underscore status. We can check. Yes, no, sorry, it is just only status, not order status. Only status. Okay, so set status to status where customer ID is equal to guest ID, because we cannot, I mean, we may have different orders from different customers in many orders, so we cannot update all of them, so we need to specify the person. So that's it. No, sorry, we cannot say like this. We will say where order ID is equal to this, order underscore ID, because this is, we are updating this from admin panel. The customer is not updating this. We have that variable order underscore ID there. Order underscore ID. We have that variable. So we will simply, the exact order ID we will update. That's it. Save. We need to actually update, sorry, run a query, run update local variable is equal to MySQL query, and we will say connection and then update underscore order. That's it. We will say if run underscore update echo script close alert order was updated, and we will also refresh the page. Echo script close window dot open, and a self window will say index.php view underscore orders. We will bring the person to the same page. That's it. Just save the page. Now come here, refresh the orders page and just click this one, and actually that has gone to the index page basically. Why? Because we have given the target page as index, so we need to actually change that. This I'm talking about. We need to actually we can simply do one thing, you know, we can put this code, I mean this one, this whole PHP block, can put this into the admin main index page here below HTML. Once again save. Now come back and we will refresh the page, say index.php confirm underscore order 5. If is set dollar underscore get confirm order get ID. Oh, sorry, I'm very sorry. We'll say where order ID is equal to get underscore ID, because we have get ID here, and we have just changed the course, the code location. We copied it from there and pasted here. So now we must give this ID, get underscore ID. Update MySQL. Okay, that's fine. Now it's okay, fine. We had some mistake code there. We'll go back to view orders. I'll click complete order, and the person is actually not being redirected. I am update order, set status to status where order ID is equal to get ID. Oh sorry, we don't have connection over here. Yes, we don't have. We need to actually add the connection too. Includes db.php. That's it. Now if I set confirm order, get confirm order, status update orders. Okay, it's fine. Go back, refresh the page, click confirm order. Now you can see order was updated. Okay, this order has been updated. Now go to the orders table and browse the page, and you can see this order has been completed. The other two orders are in progress, but this one has been completed. Now if you click another one, for example this one, click it, and you can see order was updated, and you will be taken back to that page. Now again come browse the page, and you can see another one has also been completed. So that is the work of admin. They can now change this thing as well if the status is complete. So you can change this as well, but if they just one time they need to click this button to complete the order. So I hope you have got this all what I have taught you in this tutorial. Actually we were lazy to create this thing, this last part, updating the order. Therefore we did some mistakes, but the simplest thing was to just, if I set confirm order, get the order ID in this status, assign a completed value to this status variable, update underscore order, update order, set status to status, and where order ID is equal to get this ID. We don't need that above ID, because this ID which we have inside in the URL here I'm talking about, when you click that. So really simply we have done that, and next video will be working or some other things, for example like something like some parts, for example sending emails to the customers who has orders or who have sent us payment or paid. So those kind of things we'll be talking about in next tutorials, and we will finish this whole project. Stay tuned.